All right, I'm here with Gabby.
Yeah.
Hi, Gabby. And we're going to talk about the Jackery 5000, right? That's what this unit is. So for like our specific use cases, the 5000 would be good if you had like a remote observatory where you were trying to not have any power run to it. And like our typical loads of like 1 to 300 watts, especially if you got like a big rig and like all your cooling and stuff like that. And so something like this would be good for not a permanent setup, but definitely something less than just taking your gear out to the backyard for the one night. So, hey, Gabby, what can you tell me about the Jackery 5000?
Yeah, so the Jackery 5000 Plus is like one of our it's our bigger unit so far.
Okay.
And we say that can power all of your essentials. So
Okay.
for example, if there's a power outage in your home and you got not electricity, this one can power your essentials for up to 30 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So, what does the 5000 mean? Is it, what is that?
5,000 watts of energy.
Okay. 5,000 watt hours of energy. That's cool.
Yeah.
And so this can take solar input?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Right now I don't see like the solar panels. The solar panels you can see over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use the 500 solar panels to
The
actually
500-watt
charge.
ones?
Yeah,
Wow. Those are
charge
the
the
big
switch.
ones.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, and we also have some extra batteries. So
Okay.
I got an extra battery right here.
An extra
Well,
battery.
yeah,
Okay.
just extra batteries.
Okay.
So it can go up to 40,000 kilowatt hour if we
Wow.
add more and more battery packs.
Okay.
And yeah,
So they all daisy chain to the main 5000 unit.
yeah. But you
Nice.
need to use like a smart transfer switch.
Okay.
So you have the options. You have
Okay.
several options here. You can just use this unit,
Okay.
or you can use the smart transfer switch, and you
Okay.
can just keep adding more and more battery packs.
And each of these is an additional 5000?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, cool. Okay. And so the smart transfer switch acts then as the central hub. And does the solar then come into here as well?
Yeah.
Okay. So then these all just basically act as batteries and this is the main controller?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. And then will this also then comes out to like a panel, I'm guessing, somewhere? Or like how does this connect to the rest of your
Yeah.
Oh, it is a breaker panel.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Can we talk about the Jackery 1500, the new one that you guys just announced? What was it called?
1,500.
The 1500, the waterproof one.
The waterproof.
Okay, let's go get set up over there, and I really want everyone to see this one. This is the Jackery 1500 Explorer Ultra, right? So this is a new one that you guys just announced?
Yeah, we actually just released this unit yesterday.
Wow, okay.
Which is pretty good. Yeah. So we just released this unit for CES.
Oh, 4CX, that's awesome. It looks really cool. So what makes this the Ultra versus the normal like 1000 or 1500?
Yeah, so we launched this unit because we wanted to have something new that was waterproof, that was more for outdoors,
Okay.
for camping.
So you mentioned waterproof. How waterproof? Is it when you say waterproof, what do you mean by that?
Yeah, like actually you can use this unit under like very severe conditions, like if people is putting water, if it's raining or if it's snowing, you can actually use this unit all
Yeah.
over the place. Yeah.
So I
And
think
then
I want to talk about the waterproof stuff. So one, there is just water. I hope you can see this. There is just water sitting on top of the unit. So one of the things in astronomy is we're outside late at night, and usually in most areas, everything gets covered in dew. Like water just sort of condenses on everything. And I always worry about my battery banks that I use that they're gonna get wet out there and that something bad's gonna happen. So it's nice to see that this unit is just like sitting here on the convention floor with water dripping down on it. And it's on and everything seems really happy. So that's really cool. How else is it? So it's waterproof. What other sort of rugged features does it have?
yeah, actually, we got this the DC 12 outlet, which is pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also got like some USB ports and also AC 100 1800 three outlets out here. Yeah, and a DC input.
And DC input. So that's
Yeah.
for like solar panels.
Yeah.
Do you know what size panel this can take?
Yeah, this one can take 200 and W that are like those
Okay.
solar panels that you
The
can see over
200s.
there. Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's good to know. And it's also like dustproof and shockproof more than the other units.
It is. It is.
Okay. So how Does it actually have an IP rating? Do you know?
It does. It
Okay.
does. It's an IP65.
Okay,
Yeah.
IP65 with
Yeah.
level 9 seismic shock, 1 meter drop resistant. Wow,
Yeah.
that's really cool. All right. Uh, this is probably one of the more interesting products that I've seen at the show today because I don't know how many people think that your battery banks need to be waterproof, but I know from using them that it would be nice if they were waterproof. That's a really
Yeah.
cool feature.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you. All right, I think there might be one or two other things that I want to talk about, but we might need to cut over to that orange table to go there. All right, one of the last things I want to talk about here is some of the maybe smaller collections. You guys have seen a lot of my gear is orange. I love orange, and this is apparently the orange collection by Jackery. I don't know how I've never seen this before. So, Gabby, apparently this is controversial a little bit amongst you guys.
Yeah, yeah, it's because Jackery has been there for over 20 years in the market, so we're just celebrating that.
Yeah.
So we want to get something to celebrate. So with this, the orange collection, but this is actually not for sale, only
Okay.
for celebration.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Well, they're really cool to look at. I love these. But one of the things that did catch my eye is some of the smaller units. So we have the unit called you said it's the 240D,
Yeah,
and it's sort of
40.
this class, this size.
It is. It is
Yeah.
super small, and if you just wanna go, for a run, or you for a day, you wanna go camping, you can just take this one with you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And so this is about 240 watt hours
it
in a
is.
container about this
It
big. That's
is.
really nice. So it does have like DC 12-volt out, which is important for us to be able to power like the mounts and things like that. And at 240 watts, that should power a rig for like at least 10 hours. Like I've gotten like 5 or 6 hours out of 100 watts. So a 240 should be able to basically run all night. That's really cool.
And you can also power this with a solar
And
panel.
these are
Yeah,
solar panel rechargeable.
yeah,
Nice.
it
So if
does.
you're like doing a remote expedition, you could use something like this. That's really cool. All right. Thank you.